Equivalent. Piglet. Are B and C equivalent? Look at B and C. Okay, let's take a look. B and C. Are they equivalent? Yes, very good. They are equivalent. Alright, next, are A and C equal? Nata. Nata. No, so it's not. So A and C, let's take a look. A and C. So this is your A, this is your C. So they are not equal. Are they equivalent? Yes, so it means they are equivalent. Very good. So here, for the A and B, AB, why? A is equal to B. Next, number 2, A is equivalent to B. And then B is equivalent to C. Okay. And then AC is not equal to C. Okay. But A is what? A is equivalent to C. Alright, that's the representation. Very good. Good job, M4. Okay. Now, the misconception, equal does not mean equivalent. Again, class, if someone will gonna ask you, is equal same with equivalent? It is not. They are different. So, equivalent does not imply equality. So, if it means equivalent does not imply equality, if they are just equivalent, but they are not equal. Okay, for example, View and Tata, they are equal, 1:1. But they are equal in terms of element. But they are not equal in terms of the terms girl and a boy. But they are equivalent. That's what we mean by that. Alright, can you bring out your notebook? Oh, I think that's wrong. Meow. 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 49. I think I did not save it, sorry. I think I forgot it. Okay, for the assessment, maybe that will be next meeting already. How many time or how many minutes do we have here left? 6 minutes. Alright, so class, our next meeting is Wednesday, tomorrow, right? But teacher who will change with the schedule. So I will be meeting you Thursday instead of Wednesday. Because teacher who will sorry, teacher who will go to Chantaburi for a training. Alright, so I believe teacher who already mentioned it. Would you like me to become like this, class? I just saw this. I'm a teacher. I'm sword. Math teacher, so I'm a sword one. Alright, do we have any question, class? 5 minutes. None? Going once? None? Alright, let me just check that, and it's just only Coco and Papa. Sorry, Timmy. What happened to Timmy? Always sick? Sorry, this is 6 more.
เอาช่อง YouTube มาช่อง YouTube อะไร
Even if sorry, Coco is sick.
ครับ
ขอชื่อช่องหน่อยเร็ว
ยา
Okay.
อ่อนด็อกคิเมนต์ ใช่
ๆยาจากไหนนะมันหลอกด่าเอ๊ะ
Alright, so I'm going to give the time or the 4 minutes to get ready for your next or prepare for your next class. Alright, so it's already time class, so it's nice to see you once again and have a good day. Always take care.
จะเริ่มไปแล้ว